are in my room. As you probably already noticed, I'm doing some changes and some upgrades at my room and doing a room tour also. I'm gonna try to show you a time lapse where I will be mounting these two new furnitures. This is a new, like a bench to hold those two drawers that were here, and they will be on top of this bench right here. I'll show you after. And this one is like a Kiro Game Station from Alpha Gamer. It's a more tiny desk than the other one that I had, because I'm trying to get more room space here, because of my bed that stretches all out to here, and as you can see, the space is not very much, so I'm trying to do the best I can to improve that. So let's keep going. I'm gonna do a time lapse and show you guys the process. Let's go. So I finally finished the assemble of my new desk, this desk over here, the Alpha Gamer Kiro desk station. And the table had some extension here because I wanted to gain some space over here. I didn't use that part of the table, and it adds also like a bracket to put over here to hold stuff like this, and I didn't need that over here. I preferred the space that I gained with that, because my new bed, as you can see here, I can open this up and I have a full-sized bed here, so that's why I changed to a smaller desk. But for now I will be doing some time-lapse cleaning the room, the desk, the chair, and mounting my computer over here, setting up my monitors, my sound monitors, and doing some cable management and finishing my setup. Let's go. Hey ladies and gentlemen, if you liked the video, please smash that like button so it can spread to more people. And this video is already over. What are you guys doing here? There are 2 more videos to see. Click on those ones. Go on, click them. Go, go.